What are you throwing out over there?
I'm not sure.
Quality pieces of tomato.
I didn't
right
like
into the trash.
I didn't like the way he was looking at me.
Oh.
Okay. I'm not gonna lie to you, there's a lot of greens here, but I'm pretty excited. What's the plan?
We are making tamales. We're making tamales and we're gonna wrap them in collard greens.
Okay.
So tamales are traditionally wrapped in corn husk and then they're steamed.
Yes.
They also usually have like meat or cheese. We of course are doing plant-based version and our outside will be edible.
Excellent.
And
We've got our cilantro,
Yep.
tomatoes, some cashews, jalapeno,
Yep,
onions, and then what kind of lettuce is this?
that's chard.
Chard?
Yeah, so that's kind of like, you know, like a kale,
Got it.
leafy green.
Cool. And then
I just chopped it up.
what is this?
So that's our masa. That's what makes the corn filling.
Oh.
Yeah.
We're locked and loaded. We're locked and
Yes,
loaded.
we're so ready. Okay, so I was hoping that you would help with some of the chopping.
That's my favorite thing to do.
Okay, good. I'm gonna start with cooking up onions and jalapenos.
Okay.
And then I need
I
these
gotta ask, in the pan, what
Yeah.
kind of oil?
sunflower oil.
Got it, got it.
My favorite for this kind of dish. And then I will have you chop these and these, yes. So I'm sauteing the onions and the jalapeno. When the onions become translucent, I'm going to add the tomatoes.
Translucent, great word.
Thank you.
I mean, Debbie, I'm butchering this, man. It exploded.
What are you throwing out over there?
I'm not sure.
Quality pieces of tomato.
I didn't
Right
like
into
way,
the trash.
I didn't like the way he was looking at me.
Oh,
All right, what are we thinking?
fantastic.
So put it in with the onions?
Yep. Look at this avocado.
Oh, it looks nice. Looks really nice.
So good. Uh-oh,
What happened?
nothing good. Avocado seed went into the trash disposal. Ah, yes.
You're fine, you're fine.
Whew.
Tragedy averted.
Gonna put some lemon into the avocado so it doesn't brown. All right, so onions, cilantro, and jalapeno looking good. I think we'll add in the tomatoes now.
All right.
Perfect.
This looks pretty tasty right here.
Yum. No. So good.
This is just tomatoes, avocado, cilantro, and a lemon.
And 2 jalapenos.
2 jalapenos.
So if you see any of the avocado that's stuck, you can kind of break it up. I didn't do the best job getting it out.
All right.
I'm gonna Herbamare it.
Like that. You want me to keep mixing a little bit?
Please.
So tamale filling.
Yes, so first we're gonna do the cornmeal.
Got it. Whole thing?
Yep. And this is a 32-ounce mason jar. And I melted some vegan butter. Miyoko's. Should we show them the packaging? It's right there. I think so. It's a good brand. It's like made from cashews and coconut oil. Pretty clean. Lovely. And then we need some of the vegetable stock that I made. Vegetable stock was just onion, celery, and carrot. Sort of like a bunch of each. Like 1 bunch of carrots, 1 heart of celery, and then a few onions.
Okay.
Kind of boiled that for about an hour.
Is that this over here?
Yeah, we're not going to use all of it, but we'll use some of it. So you pour and I'll tell you when.
Okay, I'm going to try and pour so that they can, it doesn't matter, but like this.
That looks good. Now
Really good.
You can mix it a little bit more. I'm going to grab some salt, and then the only other thing we need to add is the vegetables that we're cooking. And we're going to add chard into that too,
Love
because
that.
we can never get enough greens. So.
Ooh, it smells delicious. Sound like I've got a smoker's cough, but I don't smoke.
Sure about that? Put a little sea salt as well.
So this is gonna go in there.
Yeah.
Blender's out. All the cashews in.
There's also 2 little pieces of garlic that I stuck in there, and we need the lemon. And then you're just gonna put water to about here. There's some over there.
Okay.
Oh, and a little salt.
Like that. Thank you. Okay. Wow, this looks immense. A little more.
Nope.
It's good.
Smells good, looks good. Oh! Most of our components are ready. It's coming together.
Yeah.
So, cashew sauce, this is the avocado salsa for the top. And our filling, we'll mix in the veggies now. You mix, I'll pour.
Okay.
Yum.
Does look immense. Look at this. Sorry, am I doing this good?
Perfect. Okay, once that's fully mixed, we'll scoop that into the collards, roll them, put them in our steamer, and then we're good to go. Probably need about 20 minutes, and then dinner is ready. We both have a rolling station.
Uh-oh.
Yep.
Uh-oh.
Yep. Here, this is yours. So just put a spoonful about
And
there.
the stem, all right.
I'll do one too. Kind of middle-ish, actually. And then we're just gonna cut off the very bottom,
Okay.
the hard part. All right, and then this, you kind of have to do it gently so you don't break the stem.
Uh-oh.
Oops, I broke it. Over, fold, fold, over. Doesn't really matter if it breaks a little. It'll stay together.
Okay.
And then it goes into the steamer.
Got it. Bam.
Bam.
Bam. How'd I do? How'd I do?
You're a generous scooper, I like that. Chop, chop. Sometimes I steam these ahead before filling them just for a second so that they fold without cracking. I guess I could have done that.
Uh-oh, I butchered this one. This isn't good.
These are very forgiving. Once they start steaming, they just kind of stick to.
My bad, too much in there.
There, we'll just do this. It's okay. It's just us eating right now. So mush it in there.
Yep.
Yum, yum, yum. I'm ready to
back.
eat. We're back.
We're at my biggest weakness, which I have a lot of them in here, but plating. So we're just gonna refer all this to you.
So humble, so humble. But then you go telling everyone what a great chef you are. So.
Just a few people. Just
You are, so don't be shy about it. Okay. All right, so first we'll pour the cashew sauce into each bowl. I don't know if we'll need all of that, but you just want it to reach like the edge.
So start this in the middle and let it go?
Yeah.
How are we doing? I feel like that was
Fantastic. All right, let's do the unveiling of our tamales here.
Kind of excited. You knew the thing? No thing, no. Never mind.
One for moi. Here you get your
Yeah,
beast.
the messy one.
But look, it stayed together.
Yeah, it did. It's nice.
All right, and then, yep, we need like a good amount of that.
On top or on the side?
On top, I think. It's prettier.
Oh, a little straggler fell.
That's okay.
I'm gonna let you do yours because I feel like that might be the one that's photo-esque. This one doesn't look too bad.
It looks great.
There it is.
Fantastic.
We've got our tamales. Oh. Spilled a few.